Actually, we come to know about the universal tutorials from the internet. My wife found that uh, test. Actually we were looking for a test series for my son, and we were not getting it ICSE test series. So it's a very good test series we got, and it really helped my son to score 95.20 in his board exams. And faculty is very good. The response is very good. The day he used to solve the papers, immediately on the same day he used to get the reply with model answers. So that really helped him to grow, like his to develop his weak areas also. And according to our expectation, he has done very well. So I'm very thankful and grateful to UT, and I'm looking forward for his standard 12th science also for a test series, and NEET also. And we are preparing for him for a NEET. So looking forward for UT for the same. Thank you very much.